Tesla is still inside our trap zone between its key support and key resistance levels. To whatever side Tesla breaks, it will trigger an insane breakout that will work as a game changer for Tesla, defining the next mid-term trend. Let's study the main key points we should watch on Tesla from here in this video. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel, my dear friends. My name is Nathan. Let's start our multiple time frame analysis on Tesla stock, starting with the hourly chart. In the 1 hour chart, Tesla is correcting today. However, we have yet to see a true breakout from this trap zone. This trap zone is made of this support at the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement and the resistance level at $123. Short-term speaking, if Tesla loses the 38.2, the next technical support level is the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement. Usually when Tesla hits the 38.2, respecting it just to break it afterwards, usually, most of the time, of course, this is not a rule, but most of the time it ignores the 50% retracement and seeks the 61.8% in one single movement. Where is the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement? Is at $110. I hope you guys are familiar with this price level. If you are not, keep this in mind. When we study the weekly chart, you will understand why the $110 is so important. Now, for now, either way, the fact that Tesla is between this trap zone over here is still quite problematic because we can't tell for sure to whatever side Tesla is going to break. So we gotta wait for a crystal clear breakout. Today, Tesla dropped just to retest this support level, and this support level seems to be working right now so far. So no breakout yet, so we can't assume that Tesla is going to either reverse or to resume the bearish sentiment in the daily chart, because in the daily chart the situation is a little bit more problematic because Tesla is still in a crystal clear bear trend, and even if it breaks the resistance at $123, it has many resistances to work with in the midterm. First, the 21 EMA over here is the first resistance level on Tesla, which has been working as a resistance since September 2022. So we gotta keep our eyes open at the 21 EMA over here. Second, we have all of these retracements over here, the 38.2, the 50%, and the 61.8% retracement. These points are going to work as future resistance levels on Tesla. So even considering that Tesla could break the 123, it is not a crystal clear bullish reversal structure yet on Tesla, because we don't see a crystal clear bullish reversal pattern on Tesla right now yet. You may say, and I'm not gonna disagree with you entirely, oh Nathan, but this could be a pivot point, right? Yes, it could be, but it is a micro pivot point, right? It is not a meaningful pivot point like, well, over here, right? This bearish pivot point over here. This pattern seems to be a little bit weak in my humble opinion, but of course we could work with it if you are expecting a bullish run on Tesla in the next few days, in the next few weeks, possibly. Now, speaking of weeks, in the weekly chart, last week we did a hammer candlestick pattern and we closed it above the 110. Remember the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement in the hourly chart at 110? Well, the 110, coincidence or not, is September 2020's low. This support level is working on Tesla in the long term, in the weekly chart. And last week, 2 weeks ago, we hit the 110 just to bounce. Last week, we slightly lost the 110, but we reacted nicely over here, closing above the 110 again. So we triggered this hammer candlestick pattern over here this week, indicating that yes, Tesla is going to bounce to higher levels. But again, this would be just a bounce. We have yet to see a crystal clear bullish reversal structure. Remember, my dear friends, bounces are different than reversals, okay? A bounce is just a pullback in a bear trend, which is totally normal and expected, and usually bounces offer us opportunities to sell. All right, so let's pay attention. Let's be extremely cautious in this scenario because Tesla is not doing any meaningful, easy movement right now. In the monthly chart, the situation gets a little bit more interesting. But first, if you want to join the top 5% of traders that can actually make money while beating this market, check my website. The link is in the description of this video. I'm not joking. We are literally the top 5% of traders. My track record is public. My track record speaks by itself. So seriously, check my website. The link is in the description of this video. Now, in the monthly chart, I know the month is not over yet. We are still on January 13, Friday 13, by the way, this is quite funny. But so far, Tesla seems to be, it wants to react because we are doing a candlestick pattern that resembles a hammer or even a dragonfly doji, right? So we are trying to react over here, just above the 110 in the weekly chart. As we can see in the weekly chart, this is quite meaningful. If in the monthly chart, Tesla closes doing a bullish candlestick pattern over here, looking quite good, quite interesting, it will just reinforce our idea that Tesla might bounce at least in the midterm. Again, this won't be a true meaningful bullish reversal, but of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this channel. And if you're still watching this video and you are not my subscriber, there are literally 50% chances you are not my subscriber. What the hell are you doing? Subscribe to this channel, click on the like button to support me. I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on Tesla's price action. I wish a great weekend to you all, my dear friends. Thank you very much for your audience. Stay safe. Farewell.